Hello all, today we can see how to create ServiceNow developer account and how to access it. So first of all, you need to open developer.servicenow.com URL to create the account first of all. So to create the ServiceNow developer account, you need one Gmail ID for registration. Okay, so here, so we can you can sign in with existing user ID or you can create the account. Okay, have already existing account, you can use your mail ID and you click on the next. Otherwise you need to click on here new user or get a ServiceNow ID. Just you need to click on this one, so it will open here. See, so if you are already existing customer, like if you have the already ServiceNow account with your existing email ID, you need to click on this one. Okay, otherwise you need to enter all your details. So you need to enter your active email address. Okay, you need to enter your mail ID here and you just enter your name here, first name and last name, and select the country. Okay, select the state, so whatever it may be. So just give whatever the user password here. You need to follow this thing, like you need to use one uppercase and lowercase and number, all these prerequisites. And you need to select this one captcha here. Just click on terms and conditions, agree, just click on sign up. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so here you are able to see, right, a ServiceNow ID has been created with your this mail ID. Okay, so we need to open your Gmail account, you need to verify this one for validation. Okay, so this email, it will be valid for only 1 day. Yeah, it came now. So yeah, you are able to see, right, you can click on this verify email or just you can copy and paste this one. Okay, just I'm clicking this verify email here because I have already opened my email right here. So it will automatically redirect to like access page, so you don't need to click on anything. So after click on here, okay, just you need to enter here whatever you have created, right, password. Okay, so here it will ask few things. Okay, authentication app, SMS authentication. For now, just you can skip this one, it's not required actually. Accept and proceed, just click on, or you can mention yes I need, just you can click on this one, next, and select whatever you want. Select all these things, options like developer admin, all these things. Just I have mentioned and finish the setup here. Right, request instance, just you can click on this one. Okay, select here Australia one and request. Okay, so you're able to see right here, setting up instance. It will take some time. So you'll get the mail like this also. This means, okay, so here you're able to see, right, so now this is the instance you are able to access with this one. This is your instance here. Okay, now in the next video we'll see how can we use this one. So from next time onwards, you can copy this URL. Okay, just you can paste here. Okay, ServiceNow, and just username and password you are able to see right here. Just you can paste those things here. you are able to see right here admin workspaces. And okay, so next video we can see how to access and how to write the code and how to use the admin part here. Okay, thanks for watching.